Welcome back to the discussion under chain rule. We are looking at a problem which is our function of x presented as y equal to 2 cos in brackets 3x squared plus 5. Alright, let's get started. So to do this one, like I've stated, we're using the chain rule because there's a function 3x squared plus 5 contained in another function which happens to be the cos function. So from our previous discussion, you can understand that this, which is another function, a function contained in another function, will simply be let to be u. So say let to be equals to 3x squared plus 5. Now this therefore tells us to say this function u, which represents what is inside parentheses, is a function of y, thus our y will be nothing but 2 cos u. So from this arrangement, we simply obtain two functions, function u and function y, where u is with respect to x and y is with respect to u. So that is to say, to differentiate u with respect to x, we simply use the power, as you can see, to say this one is presented as powers. So 2 multiplied with 3, we obtain 6, then x, as when you subtract a 1 to 2, we just obtain a 1. Differentiating a constant simply gives us a 0, so the derivative for u with respect to x will just be 6x. Now moving to dy du, every time you have a constant appearing before a trig function, you are advised to leave that constant without differentiating. So this which we have is 2 will drop the way it is, then we differentiate cos. So we start differentiating just after our constant. So it is only cos we're differentiating and not 2. So upon differentiating cos, we understand say the derivative of cos is negative sign. Hence, we can still write the negative this side. Now we've successfully managed to gather two derivatives, the one for u, which is with respect to x, the one for y, which is with respect to u. So after this has been done, we are going to multiply. So please pause the video and try to do this as we proceed. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Alright, let's continue. So our dy dx is the product of two derivatives, y with respect to u and u with respect to x. So let's combine these two. Dy du, as you can see from the part we have on top, this is negative 2 sine u, multiplying with du dx, which is 6x. Alright, so our dy dx would therefore be equal to negative 2 and 6x will multiply, hence we get negative 12. Then x sine, since this is with respect to x, we simply substitute wherever there's u with 3x squared plus 5. So this therefore gives us 3x squared plus 5 like this. And this which we have is our derivative. See you in the next video.